Every week brings a new headline about algorithms taking over industries. It is easy to feel paralyzed watching the tech landscape accelerate past you. But artificial intelligence isn't going to walk into an office and take over your role on its own. The actual threat comes from the desk next to you. The gap in productivity between a professional leveraging these tools and someone sticking to traditional methods is growing by the day. If you want to catch up, the sheer volume of information makes it nearly impossible. You are hit with endless tutorials, contradictory advice, and dense documentation that stops you from actually starting. Staying relevant in this environment doesn't require outsmarting a machine. You simply need to adopt its practical leverage faster than your peers do. When most people decide to learn AI, they make a classic mistake. They dive into deeply technical coding tutorials, advanced mathematics, or dry theory that has absolutely no relevance to their day-to-day tasks. That is the purpose of the Certometer AI Career Accelerator. It is a strict, 15-hour, self-paced architecture designed specifically for non-technical beginners. By stripping away the engineering jargon, this program takes an intimidating science and turns it into a highly accessible utility for your daily workflow. The 15-hour curriculum breaks down into 3 actionable pillars. First, content creation, using language models to eliminate the blank page. Second, practical prompting, teaching the mechanics of structuring instructions for accurate results. Third, workflow integration, blending these tools into your daily corporate or academic routines. Because learning shouldn't happen in a vacuum, you also get access to the Certometer Discord community to network and share successful workflows with other learners. Building these competencies shrinks the time spent on routine tasks, reclaiming hours of your work week before you even finish the 15-hour program. True career growth requires deliberate, staged progression, rather than jumping into random, disconnected tutorials. Our path starts with Tier 1, the accelerator. For 5,999 rupees, you build a solid foundation. Next is Tier 2, the Advantage program, for 11,999 rupees, focusing on the Microsoft AI 900 certification. Finally, Tier 3, the Ultimate program, at 16,999 rupees, integrates live portfolio building. The ceiling for AI mastery is high, but attempting to jump straight to the top step without building your Tier 1 foundation usually results in frustration and failure. Acquiring new skills only matters if you can definitively prove them to a potential employer or client. The Certometer Certificate of Completion serves as your verifiable signal. It acts as tangible proof that separates trained professionals from casual users playing with chatbots. Many education platforms let you sit back and passively watch videos. Certometer's ecosystem mandates actual execution to ensure you can perform the tasks you are studying. Over 10,000 students have already successfully certified through these mentor-backed structures. As job applications become flooded with vague claims of AI knowledge, a verifiable record of execution provides a clear, objective signal of what you can actually deliver. Every day you spend avoiding these tools is another day you fall further behind peers who are actively automating their workloads. You can bypass the confusion and secure your Tier 1 foundation today for 5,999 rupees. Head over to certometer.com right now and enroll in the AI Career Accelerator. You have a choice. You can wait as the workforce changes around you, or you can deliberately build the edge required to lead your field.